Hi everyone! So I will tell you what is noun. A noun is a word that identifies a person, animal, place, object, feeling, or idea. Common noun used to name people, places, or thing in general. It refers to the class or type of person or thing without being specific. Example, girl, city, animal, house, and food. Proper noun used to name a specific or individual person, place, or thing. Proper nouns begin with a capital letter. Example, John, London, Pluto, France. Countable nouns have a singular and a plural form and can be used with a number or "and" before it. They are sometimes called count nouns. Example, car, desk, cup, house, and bike. Uncountable nouns cannot be counted. They often refer to substances, liquids, and abstract ideas. They are sometimes called mass nouns. Example, wood, milk, air, happiness. Concrete nouns refers to people or things that exist physically and that at least one of the senses they detect. Example, dog, tree, apple, moon, sock. Abstract nouns have no physical existence. They refer to ideas, emotions, and concepts you cannot see, touch, hear, smell, or taste. Example, love, time, fear, freedom. Compound nouns have more words that create a noun. They can be written as one word, joined by a hyphen, or written as separate words. Example, rainfall, son-in-law, credit card. Collective noun refers to a set or groups of people, animals, or things. They are often followed by of plus plural noun. Example, team, pile, stock, flock, and bunch. Let me give you two examples of noun. The baby smiled at the colorful toy. The noun is baby because it's a person, and the other one is toy because it's a thing. Number 2, the phone rang loudly in the room. The noun is phone because it's a thing, and the room because it's a place. Thank you!